from Yan Public School. I hope you all are fine and good. You must take this advantage of this online classes. It is easy to make connections with you all, and these online classes will help you to cover the syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. So here today's topic, shapes. So class 1 mathematics subject, shapes. So already you are familiar with your shapes. Basically, what are the shapes we are having? Circle, square, rectangle, triangle and oval. These are the shapes we are having. So these shapes we will discuss in this chapter. So first shape is circle. You know this is circle. So circle is having sides 0. Is it having any sides? No, that's a 0. Is it have any corners? No, it is also a 0. Then come to next shape, that is square. This is the square, is it? So here all sides are equal. This. 4 sides are equal. So here sides are 4, and how many corners are there? These are the corners. So corners are also 4, and these sides are also 4. So 4 sides and 4 corners. Next shape is rectangle. Is it rectangle? See here, rectangle. So here the sides are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Here sides are 4 and corners are also 4. These are the corners where 2 edges meet at the point. That point is called a corner. So this is the corner. So 4 sides and 4 corners. So what is the difference between the square and the rectangle? So here all the sides are equal. But in the rectangle all the sides are not equal. Only these opposite sides are equal. See, these 2 sides are equal to this and this side is equal to this. Means only the opposite sides are equal. This is the difference between the square and the rectangle. Now next is triangle. Is this triangle? Yes, it is triangle. So here, this is triangle. So it has how many sides? Obviously 1, 2, 3. Here 3 sides are there. And how many corners? See, 2 edges meets at one point, that is 1, 2, 3. So 3 corners and 3 sides. Next shape is oval. So this is the oval shape. So oval shape, how many sides are there? 0, there is no side. And how many corners are there? 0, there is no corner. So this is our introduction of a shapes. Now, examples of similar shapes. So these shapes in our normal environment where we see this. Square. In the square shape, you can see the photo frame or book. Let's example. Just daily life example. The book is shape of a rectangle square and the photo frame is also a shape of a square. Circle. See, bangle, coin. Bangle is also a circle and coin is also a circle. Next is rectangle. Rectangle is envelope and the rectangle shape is door. Door is also a rectangle. Then come triangle. Triangle. Hanger. See the clothes we are keeping in almari, we use hanger. So that hanger is also a shape of a triangle. And the samosa, what we eat, that is also a shape of a triangle. Then oval. It is a shape of an egg and balloon. So these are the examples of this similar shapes. I hope it's clear to you. The shapes lesson already have learned. Now exercises. What are the exercises? Let's see. The first one is identify the shape of the object and color it. So here some names are given that you have to find out what is the shape of that thing or object and you have to color it. So the first one is wheel. So what is the shape of the wheel? Obviously the shape of the wheel is, here what are the shapes are given? Circle, square and triangle. So obviously it is a circle, not rectangle, not square and not triangle. So here circle, you have to color it because what the question is said, That is, identify the shape, means what is the shape of this wheel, and you have to color it. Clear? So, wheel is the shape of a circle. That's why we are coloring this shape. Now, second one is samosa. So, is it the shape of a rectangle, or triangle, or oval? So, obviously, it is the shape of a triangle. So, samosa is a triangle shape. Is it clear? Now, so we will color this thing because samosa is the shape of a triangle. Next one is book. So, book is the shape of a triangle, or circle, or rectangle. Obviously, the shape of a book is rectangle. So, we have to color this rectangle. Is it? So, like this, you have to color it. One more thing. Here only I have used 3 examples. In your exercise, many things are there. Just I am explaining these things. By this only, we have to complete the exercise. Clear? Here, second exercise. See, circle the same shapes in each row. So here in each row some shapes are given. That is same shapes you have to circle. So how will you do? See here. Circle, rectangle, triangle, circle, square. So what are the shapes we are having? Here circle and here also circle. So these two are the same shapes, that's why we have to circle. In the next row, triangle, circle, rectangle, oval and triangle. So what are the shapes we are having? Triangle. So both are same, that's why we have to circle. Next one. Oval, triangle, square, rectangle, oval. So here both are oval. So here circle the same shapes in each row. In each line, row means this. In each line you have to circle the same shapes. So same like this only you have to do the exercise with remaining questions. Clear? Here, the third exercise. Cross the odd sides in each set. Say this is one set, this is one set, this is one set. So in each set, what is the odd one? See, this and this are the same shapes. The different shape is this one. Means odd one. So that we have to cross it. And here, what are the different shapes? These three are in the same. This is odd one. That's why cross it. Then here. All the triangles are easy to see? No, obviously no. One is the different. What is the different one? This is the different one. So cross it. Like that only you have to complete the remaining questions from your exercise. In this way you have to do it. Just find out the odd one and you have to just cross it. Clear? Here, this is the next exercise. Color the shapes that are of same size in each row. So here 3 rows are there. In each row what the question asked, the same size you have to color it with colors. And the different one is left over. So in this one, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 same size. So you have to color it. Color the shape. This circle is equal to this one. This is equal to this one. So these 3 are equal, that's why we are doing. This is not equal, that's why we are leaving that. In the next one, triangle. This triangle is equal to this one and this one. So this is different, that's why we are leaving it. And the next, this is equal to this and this. This is different. That's why we are leaving that one. So here only these 3 circles are equal. That's why we have color. And here these 3 triangles are equal. That's why we are doing. Here also these 3 squares are of different, are of same size. That's why we are coloring. Which one is different in each row? We are leaving that one. Clear? Same like that only the remaining questions of your exercise. Do like exercise. Color the circle red for things that slide and blue for things that slide and roll. So here what is the question? Here some objects are given are these things. Which one is sliding? Means if you push or pull, if you slide, then it is you have to color that with red. And if slide and roll both, then you have to color it with blue. So first one is ball. Ball, it slides or roll. Which one? It's a slide and roll. So what is the color? It's blue. So it is rolling means you have to color it with blue. Next, apple. Is it apple? I'm not good at drawing. So example, this is an apple. So apple, it slides. It will not roll. So you have to color it with red. Only red. Then this is spoon. See here. The spoon, is it slide or roll? It slides. So obviously it is there. What side? Slides with red color. Then pencil box. Pencil box. If you give some force to that, it will pull. Sorry, it will slide or it will roll. Obviously it will slide. So it is with also red. Clear? I hope it's clear to you. If things which will slide, you have to color it with red color. If the things which will slide and roll, that you have to color it with blue color. Clear? So here, some more examples are there in your exercises. Just follow like this and do it properly.